how you can connect your AOC monitor to your PC. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, look at the ports on your PC and your AOC monitor. See what kinds of ports they have. Some common ones are HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, and VGA. Now, choose the best cable that matches the ports. HDMI or DisplayPort are better because they give you good picture and smoother video. Then, turn off your PC and the monitor before connecting anything. This keeps everything safe. Next, plug one end of the cable into your PC, then plug the other end into your AOC monitor. After that, turn your PC and monitor back on. Now, press the Input or Source button on the monitor. Choose the right input, like HDMI or DisplayPort, if the screen doesn't show up by itself. Your desktop should now appear on the monitor. If not, check the cable connections again or update your computer's display drivers. And that's it. That's how you can connect your AOC monitor to your PC.